Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to another video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to use AI for research. Especially we are talking about ChatGPT. Basically, this ChatGPT AI can give you a lot of informations and can answer literally on every single answer possible. So now how can we join this and how can we go to this AI? First of all, you need a PC, or a phone, and then open any browser that you have. Right after that, write OpenC here, or not OpenC, OpenAI, so like that, and from here you click on ChatGPT. Now we can click on try, and it will ask you to log in, but I have already an account created in this page. So now, how can we actually make some research on this page? Basically, it is like a conversation. So let's write, for example, hi, and the bot or the AI must answer us. Now, for example, let's ask it for some information. So give me some, make a research for me about, for example, dollar, for example, about dollar currency. Now, as you can see, it will start making a full research about this topic that I gave it to it, and it will not even take any moment for you. It's like maximum it will take it for 2 minutes to complete a full research or a full blog or a full article about the thing that you want. It will give you a bunch of informations that are correct 100%. If you're not sure these information, you can just look it up on the internet and compare the results. So as you can see here, and one other information for you guys, all of this blog that is written for us, you can actually use it for your own good. You can actually use it, and it is 100% not copyrighted. You can paste it on every website you got, on everywhere. So as you can see here, it gave us some informations about the dollar. And yeah, you can make any, it can solve you a lot of problems. It can solve you, even make you some programs if you want, coding, translation, correcting, and etc. So yeah guys, that was it for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and thank you for watching.